Welcome back. Now, when we come to the dashboard inside the login area in Teachable, there are some things that you're going to want to be aware of. The first thing you're going to see is going to be your profile. You'll have your email address as well as your name here. You can click on top of that profile, and what you can do is you can then change this so that you can have something to appear the way you want it to appear. Now, in terms of the profile images, Teachable does pull from your Gravatar account. If you don't have a Gravatar account, you can create one here. And you'll notice then that you'll be able to use this Gravatar across the web. Now, if you already have a Gravatar, you can then change your email address inside of Teachable to that Gravatar account. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a Gravatar account. We're then going to click Create Your Own Gravatar. Now, what you'll basically be doing is setting up a WordPress.com account. So you're going to put in your name, email address, and then your password. You'll then need to confirm inside of your email account. You'll then activate your Gravatar account. What you'll then do is you will click your profile. You'll then change your profile photo. You'll then add in your photo. What you'll then do is you'll write in your name and then your public display name in your Gravatar area. You'll then save your profile details. And when you come back to your profile and then you refresh, you should see your profile image or your Gravatar image inside of your Teachable account. What you'll then see is you'll see the My Schools area, and this is where you can create another school for another purpose. And so what you can do here is you can click this link. It says to create another school, and you're just going to go back through the name your school process. You'll be able to do this at this dashboard. What you can then do is you can take a look at your settings. That brings you back to your profile settings. You can then take a look at your billing. And this is where, if you are going to be paying for your Teachable account, you can add in your card information. And once you've done that, you will have configured your initial settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.